shark's eye.
Found that one.
Eastern otter. And then these ones are everywhere, yeah? The lettered olive. They're all down the coast. There's a bunch in South Carolina. We found a bunch here. We found, these are all the little striped ones. The bittersweets. This is the pink church getting a termite treatment. It's pretty interesting. I thought I'd show you guys. It's a city a little bit north of Miami. Look how mellow the waves are. It just depends on the wind. Today it's only a 4-mile-per-hour breeze, and the waves are pretty much non-existent. So unless the Atlantic gets more windy days than the Gulf, I don't know if that would be true, that the Atlantic is more rough. But maybe it does get more windy days than the Gulf, so it seems like it's more rough. I don't know. But today it certainly is not the case. It's perfect. Hawaiian pizza with the pineapple on pizza. I think you'd also like this. It's not tea, but I like it.
Turn on! This iPhone pen sucks. I just found it here and I was all excited because I thought it would work on my iPhone.
So does the mangrove start work as iPhone pen? Yes or no?
No.
No? It was worth a try.